Hello friends, this is Shrutija. Thank you for the 2000 subscribers in a short time for a spiritual channel. Welcome to the positive news which is being telecasted in PMC USA YouTube channel. The purpose of bringing this news is to highlight various activities happening in Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, that is PSSM USA, and other affiliated PSSM organizations. PSSM is totally committed to spread the word of meditation, plant-based food and pyramid energy. All the programs telecasted would be related to one of these topics. About PSSM. Pyramid Spiritual Societies Movement (PSSM), founded by Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, is a non-profit, autonomous, non-religious voluntary movement working across USA promoting benefits of meditation, vegetarianism, pyramid energy and spiritual science. Also conducting numerous programs like free workshops for corporates and group sessions, one-on-one sessions, seminars with goal of enlightening with self-realization, healthy life, self-empowerment to one and all. PMC USA and PMC USA Multilingual Channel. PMC USA channel. This is purely English-based channel which will bring all the content like meditation live events, summits, experience sharing of various masters across the globe. PMC USA Multilingual Channel. This channel will serve all the languages other than English. The content will be on similar lines with meditation events, summits, experience sharing and so on, but to cater to non-English speaking viewers. PSSM USA Past Events. PSSM USA in collaboration with Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy has designed a level 2 course of ethical and yogic excellence. This course is completed successfully. All the participants took the course very seriously and attended all the classes and did separate group sessions to learn the subject. Finally, everybody attended the exam and scored really well. PSSM USA ongoing event. PSSM USA is conducting a 21-day session named Journey Towards True Path, covering the concepts of spiritual science and guided meditation. This event is started from Feb 25th, 2021. Various masters from across the globe are sharing their wisdom. These sessions are telecasted live on PMC USA channel. PSSM USA Multilingual ongoing events. PMC USA Multilingual channel also catered to participants from other regions and conducts various programs in different languages. Beautiful programs are being organized regularly in PMC USA Multilingual channel. Please watch out regular flyers in your local WhatsApp groups. All these sessions are available on YouTube for participants to revisit at your own convenience. PSSM Global ongoing events. Meditation with Pari every Thursday at 9 p.m. EST in the event Elevate Your Energy. Please look for details at www.pssmglobal.org/events. Activities happening in USA. There are daily and weekly sessions happening across the US region and the details of the same are attached in the flyer. For further info, please reach out to the customer service 1770-872-0955 and email is info@pssmusa.org. PSSM USA announcement. PMC USA, as part of promoting plant-based food, is also getting ready to showcase on how easy and tasty food can be prepared without using of garlic, mushrooms or microwaves. So please watch our channel for every other Saturday for a new recipe which will be telecasted. PSSM Florida ongoing event. PSSM Florida is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members with special sessions every weekend. This event has started from February 1st, 2021. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM Global announcement. PSSM Global has proudly launched its new services called Pyramid Call Services Global. Intention of this service is to provide a platform to a new seeker to get attached to a master who can talk in their respective language and provide guidance about the meditation and help them to assign a group so as to participate in day-to-day programs. For further info, please reach out to the customer service 1770-8720955 and email is info@pssmusa.org. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you friends. Strutija signing off.